Hello friends, in this video we will see how to calculate the duration between two dates, or you can say how to calculate the age between two dates. So here the date of birth is given and today date is given. That is today's date is we can get with the help of today function. If you write equal to today and if you write bracket open and bracket close, you will get today's date. So I want to get the duration between these two dates, or say I want to calculate the age between these two dates, so I have to use the function called dated if. So here I am using the dated if function, so I will write equal to dated if, then I have to bracket open. Here now I have to select the past date, that is my date of birth. So I am selecting the past date. Now I have to press comma. Now I have to select the today's date, or say target date. So this is my today's date. Now I have to again press comma. Now I want my age in the year. So I have to insert here inverted comma and press Y. I have to again insert the inverted comma. Now I have to close down my bracket. Again when I press enter, I will get my age in the number of years. So between two dates, the duration is for 25 years. Now I want this in the number of months. So what I can do, I can use here dated if function again. I will select the past date. I will select the target date. Now I will insert inverted comma and write down M. I will close down bracket and press enter. I will get the duration between these two dates is 308 months. But I want only the month which are above 25 years. So what I can do, instead of writing M, here I will write YM. So what is the difference between M and YM? If you write only M, then it will give you the total duration in the month. But if you write YM, then it will give the months over and above the 25 years. So what is the meaning of this? So meaning of this is the duration between these two dates is 25 years and 8 months. Now I want this duration in number of days. So what I can do, I will use dated if function. I will select the past date. I will select the present date, or say target date. I will here write down in the inverted comma D. D is for the days, and I will press enter. So number of days between these two days will be 9389. Now instead of this, I want only the days which are above 25 years and 8 months. So what I can do, instead of writing here D, I have to write down MD. So the difference between these two is, in the previous formula we are getting the actual number of total days between these two dates. However, by writing MD here, you will get the number of days over and above the 25 years and 8 months. So here you can get the duration between these two dates, that is today and date of birth, that is 25 years, 8 months and 13 days. So I hope you will understand this, how to calculate the duration between two dates. I hope it is useful for you. Thank you very much.